morning, welcome to my channel. I went to Family Dollar and I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Funny thing is, they're completely swamped at my store, and one thing I do like is I use digital coupons and I don't hold up the lines with them scanning all the coupons. But the 4 people that were in front of me, 3 of them had their totals over $20, over actually $25 pretty much, and they did not use the smart coupon. They could have gotten like $5 off their purchase, but you know what? Even the cashier, she's like, you know, if you have this, no, that's okay. Like, I'm sorry, but $5, you can buy so much with that $5 you save. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So I ended up getting the all laundry detergent. They didn't have any Snuggle, because I was going to get some Snuggle fabric softener, and my store did not have any at all. But these were $3.95. There is currently a $1.50 off digital coupon, a limit of 2. You guys would just get these for $2.45, and these are like the bigger bottles, so I ended up doing it that way. I got the Gain fabric softener, and then I got the Gain pods. These were $3.95 also on sale, but there is a $2 off digital coupon for this one and a $2 off digital coupon for that one, making these just $1.95, which is a great deal. And then I ended up getting this Microban 24-hour spray. Now this was $3.50. It's regular price $3.50, but there is a $2 off digital coupon for this. You guys would just get this for $1.50. I got multi-purpose cleaner in the citrus scent because I was cleaning my countertops like crazy yesterday, and I kind of like that citrus smell. I ended up getting 2 more items for you guys. This is an easy freebie. We got the Neutrogena Bar Soap. This was $3, and there's currently a $3 off digital coupon that you guys can use for this. So this is a freebie. So if you guys need a freebie, definitely go ahead and use that before that coupon expires. And then I got the Colgate Toothpaste. This was just regular price, $3. And then there is a $2 off digital coupon for this, making this $1. Which I hate to say don't pay for toothpaste out of pocket, but for situations like this, you have to do it. So I ended up getting $25.30 worth of stuff. I ended up saving $14 with digital coupons, but then I got that 5 off of 25 digital, which makes it $19 worth of savings. So my grand total came to $6.30. I got 7 items at just 90 cents each. I am pretty excited for that. So I just wanted to share with you guys my haul. Hopefully you guys can have just as an awesome haul as I did, but I just love it. I can get stuff that I rarely ever get. So thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.